how to add Nightbot on YouTube. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here and then open your YouTube, and then on the search bar, open another tab, search for nightbot.tv, and then you should be redirected right here in this page. And then once you do that, what we're going to do next is to click add to chat and then click this YouTube right here. So we're going to log in using our YouTube account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to choose our account that is associated with our YouTube account. So in this case, this one. So I'm just going to log in and then select all right here and then click continue. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the commands, which is right here on the top left corner of the screen. And then you can add the commands right here if you want to. So if you want to, just click this new command. And then for the name, so this is what we're going to use to execute the response of Nightbot. So let's say, for example, right here, then YouTube. And then for the response, let's say, for example, hello. Now for the required user level, so if you want to change who can use this command right here, so it's up to you. If you want everyone to use it, you can choose this. But if you want moderator or the owner only, so you can also do that, but I will just leave it as it is. And then click create. Once we create the command, the next thing that we need to do again is to go on the dashboard and then click this join channel. Once you click join channel, we're going to do this. So go back right here. So what we're going to do is to copy this first. Go on the community settings. So just click this one. And then for the managing moderator, what we're going to do is to paste the link that we have just copied and then click save. Once you start going live, Nightbot will automatically join your live. Once this command has been executed, this one right here, once you type !YouTube, so Nightbot should say hello as a response. So that is basically it. So that is how to add Nightbot on YouTube.